Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you one faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. This is the faucet website. This faucet website went up to 10 TRX pay you every 5 minutes to your faucet pay. First of all, go to your faucet pay, copy your Torrent wallet orders from deposit. Just come down and just copy your Torrent wallet orders and come to this website and come here, paste your Torrent wallet orders in here, and after that just click login. Show you a page. Just solve this to capture for first of all solve this capture, then solve this capture. You can easily making amount and just solve it. And after solving the capture, just click the verify button in down below. Okay, after just clicking verify button, you can verify your capture, and you can see this website pay you instantly to your faucet pay. I go to my faucet pay to show you how much this website pay me. Okay, this pay you randomly number. Just you can win up to 10 TRX. And now you can see this website pay me my amount, and just pay me this much. That's not too much, but it's pay you every 5 minutes randomly number. Maybe you can win much more, and this website link available in description. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget, today I'm going to share with you another base way you can use Crash to earn much more cryptocurrency. You can see right now I have this much Binance, and this will be maybe equal to $7, and just I using the Crash and multiple this amount in the 2 days. Just every day, maybe this will be in 24 hours pay me $3 or $4. Okay, and this is without working day, and just you leave your mobile phone and that's it. Okay, and just watch that video too, and thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.